Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing great. Today I'm before you to unboxing of my new tab, which is Samsung S6 Lite. So the tablet, as you can see in the box. So while opening the box, first we can see the tab itself, and I can let me keep it aside and show the components in the box. First, there is a small box which has a Samsung label in it, and inside the box we have the warranty and the quick start gate, and also a SIM ejection tool inside the bag, which is really required. Okay. Then we have the main feature, which is called the S Pen feature, which is used for tablet for writing notes, drawing, etc., which I'll show you later. Then we have a power brick of a Samsung power brick. It's a normal charger, not a fast charger. Then we have the charging cable, which is also helpful for data transferring. This is a USB Type C cable, and the build quality is very good. Nowadays, most of the phones are coming with the Type C ports, which helps for the fast charging. Now let's go and see how the tab looks like. Here I bought the tablet, which is of a chiffon pink color, and which supports a SIM calling feature also. Let's see the SIM tray, how it looks like. It's on the right hand side of the tab. This is a small piece which has on the one side you need to place the SIM card, and another we have the SIM card, which is a compact one, which is I really like this feature. While booting, you can see the Samsung Galaxy S6 is powered by Android. So now let's look at which version of Android it has the Samsung S6 Lite has. Moving on to the settings and going to the about tablet, and we can see the software information. Inside that we can see it runs on one UI version and Android version 10. This tab is consisting of 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. And the battery, you can see also the battery information. This battery is about 7040 mAh battery, which is good enough for a day use. I'm using it for the past 2 days, and it's giving me a backup really good. And some of the important features of the tab is shown here. And also I got the latest patch, which is still the security patch till June 1st 2020, a day before. Now you can see how the S Pen works. There's a quick menu to write the notes or everything, and the S Pen will help you to write like we have writing in the notebook. So it is very useful, and we can save all the notes, and you can also see all the notes, drawings, and everything in a single page. And there is also a secured folder. You can keep the files in a secured way also, which is protected by a password. Okay. And the S Pen is really good for us. So hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share your feedback, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So stay safe, be happy. Thank you.